I'm gonna show y'all how I do these twists. I'm not gonna bore y'all doing my entire head on camera, but let me show you guys what I do. So I'm starting off my little rice water concoction that I told y'all about in my last video. And if y'all check these roots out, I got fresh color. So we'll be able to see in more than one way when I take this down how much my hair grew. But anyway, so last night I washed my hair and I left some Parker J's cocoa cream and banging butter in my hair. And I just put it in little plaits, rubber bands. They're not very tight as you can tell. And I let it air dry. So I'm gonna come through with the water, little rice water, and I just spray them. And then I take my Denman brush and I just start brushing through from ends to roots. My rubber bands do slide because, like I said, I didn't put them in very tight. I don't like breakage, but I do like the rubber band method. So that's it. So then I'm gonna tighten it up just a little bit. And then I'm gonna clip this hair right here. Okay, so I have the Rastafri hair and I got two colors. They're mixed up. I got 33 and then I got a pack of 1B33. So in total I bought 6 packs. I did 3 and 3. But I noticed like the 1B33 was kind of dark and I really wanted like a more golden, ginger, kind of reddish color. So I went ahead and just mixed more of the 33 with the pack. So I use 6 to 7. This one being closer to the back, I'm gonna use 7 little strands. The hair is very easy to work with, so if you get it balled up, it's not a big deal. And I'm not like making sure I have X amount of this or X amount of that. I just mixed it up. So I'm gonna do 4 pieces on one side, 3 on the other. And I just kind of take the hair like this and then back, and I put it together so I can get more length from the hair. So that's it for that. Then I just come to my braid, wrap it around. Hello, Houston, we have a problem. Oh, y'all, there's 2 under there. Oh, that one almost got away from me. I didn't even see it. Okay, so let me start over for this one then. Let me put this hair down here. I'm gonna go ahead and rewrap this plait. I didn't even notice that one. These are super stretchy rubber bands, so I am going over quite a few times. That's why I did all this last night, well, most of it until I got tired. So here we go again. Let's start over. I'm here. Let me spray a little of my rice water on that little plait. And my scalp, I don't care. And then, y'all hear that? That's craziness. They play so loud. Anyways, okay. So then I brush it with my Denman brush. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start. All right, so I start off braiding my hair first. And I braid it down maybe about an inch or so, because my hair is kind of fine, so it easily slips. So I just braid it about an inch or so, and then I start twisting. And as I twist I twist each individual part. So I twist the left and the right as I'm twisting them together. So I'm just gonna twist it all the way to the end, and yeah. I'm just gonna keep going. And yes, this is a little time consuming, but I did all of my plaits except for this little section. Last night, that took about 30 minutes. And I did all of this. I started at about 8:30 this morning. I have stopped to cook breakfast for my kids and all that, watched Shrek and a couple other movies. But about 12 o'clock, so it's been about 4 hours, and I'm mostly done with all the breaks, so I can't complain. But anyways, I'm almost to the end. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see me. Okay, and then when I get to the end, I just kind of twist it like that, just a little bit. I don't dip or boil this hair at all. I just let it go because the hair starts to roughen up after a couple days and it kind of locks it in place. So yep, that is how I do it. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair off camera and I'll come back to y'all when I'm done and show y'all how I lay it and style it and all of that. Okay, so once again, where my clip at? Let's start back with this one. And so far I've only used 2 packs of hair. I bought 6, but I've used 2 full packs and I'm about to open my 3rd pack. So just put that in perspective. And I've been using 6 to 7 on each, y'all I'm clumsy, on each twist. So yeah, but this is a style that I wear quite often. I usually prefer a kinkier texture hair because, you know, when your hair get all frizzy and dry, we want it to match. But I noticed I like this one a little bit better because it starts off soft, but when it gets more coarse, it's like the perfect level of coarseness, basically. And it looks just perfect. So this is my go-to hair now for this style. I'll also insert some pictures of some other times I've done this, but big, because this is the smallest I've ever done on my hair, because I tend to go for big, huge things because I'm lazy and I don't like to take them down. So it's easier when you do big styles, but this will work. I did bigger parts, so. Anyways, I'm starting off as a braid, and then I'm gonna move this hair together, and then I'm just gonna start twisting it. And remember, twist each strand as you twist them around each other. And make sure you kind of run your fingers to the end so that way you don't get any tangles or knots at the end. But this hair does pretty good. I haven't had to stop to work through too many tangles. I don't even check them again. Oh my gosh. All right. I don't know why my daughter is so spoiled, y'all. She's so spoiled. Instead of just telling my son, please can I have this? That's what she does. I'm gonna finish this off camera this one because I'm gonna go back and sit on my couch and watch a movie while I'm doing this. That also helps me kill time. Alright, I'm just gonna spin that around. And that's it. So I'll come back to you guys when I am done with the whole thing and let you guys see. Kind of let y'all see how long it is. I'm so short though. They're pretty long. I'm 5'2", and they're like past my waist, so you can see. Oh, I'm trying to scare y'all. Yeah, I'll come back later. That's not gonna work. Anyways, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all also the hair. So I have the Rastafri or Rastafri, however you say it. I got the color 33, and then I also got this is 1B33. Now this one's also 33. But I have one in the room and they're 33. So what I've been doing is they come with 2 in each pack. I've been taking one of the 33 out and one of the 1B33, and I just kind of been pushing it all together and just pulling it apart. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go watch TV and do my hair, and I'll be back when I'm done.